Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. The press-on nails brand OOMYNAILS sent me 5 press-on nails of my choice, and here they are. This design is called Baby's. This is called Tinky Winky. Third we have is Meow. Then we have Blue Raspberry. And lastly we have is Free Spirit. Each of the following press-on nails includes the following: 24 pieces of press-on nails, mini nail file, alcohol pad, manicure stick, and 48 pieces of adhesive tabs. And because I didn't know which design to try out first, I asked you guys on Instagram, and you guys voted for Baby's. Let's follow the steps on how to use it. It's included on the back of the box. The first step is file the nail and gently push the edges of the nails with the manicure stick to remove excess cutin. Then use a prep pad or the alcohol pad to remove moisture and oil from the surface of the nails. Then let's select the best fitting nail of each finger. Now it's time to apply the right size of adhesive nail tabs to the nail. And I'm peeling this part off. Oh gosh, it's so sticky. I am struggling a bit because this is my first time in doing this. Okay, so I'm sticking it onto my nail. And I'm removing this plastic part. Now, let's put on the press-on nail. Fit the nail piece and press for 15 seconds. Now, let's do the rest of my nails. And I think I'm having the hang of it now. I can put this effortlessly. And And here's Tinky Winky by OOMYNAILS and GLAMERMAID. Check out OOMYNAILS for more unique, pretty, and stylish press-on nails. You can also check out GLAMERMAID as well. Links for the website will be posted on the description box below. And guess what? They're having their Halloween-themed press-on nails too. Here's a preview of the designs on their website. Link will also be available on the description box below. I want to thank OOMYNAILS for sending these press-on nails. You can also follow OOMYNAILS and GLAMERMAID on Instagram. Links will be available below. And that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!